Well, hello guys, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, what we're going to do today is I bought a new product. It's called Dig Defense, and what this does is it is a metal grate that you drive in the ground at the base of your fence. And this works good on a wooden plank fence or even a chain link fence, where these little points, you can kind of interweave them with the chain link fence and stake it down to the ground. We've got a new dog, and she likes to dig a little bit, and so I had kind of explored several options. Was I going to put landscape blocks at the base of the fence? And I thought, that'd be forever having to mess with that, and it never really look right. And then I thought, well, I could always put concrete at the bottom. But man, that's labor intensive. So anyway, we were looking on the internet. My wife found this stuff on the internet. I tell you what, it looks like a win for me. So it's really easy to install, and so let's go over here and we'll check out some of the tools it takes to get this installed in the ground. Well, here's some of the tools that I used to install it. I had a big heavy rubber mallet. Of course, it's going to be out in the sun. I had a nice hat for the working in the garden or whatever. Battery operated grinder to cut it off if, say, those were too long, or if I needed to cut some of those tines off because I'm going around a fence post or something. Here's a chisel in case having to cut through a little bit of concrete to get it going good. Little extra grinding wheel, safety glasses, gloves, and you can tell I use this wooden block pretty regular. Setting it on top and then driving it down with the hammer to get it where I wanted it. They measure 32 inches wide. The ones that I got are 10 inches long. You can get them that are 6 inches, 8 inches, and even 12 inches. This is just kind of like what your average installation is going to look like once you drive it down in the ground. And for me, I found it very hard for you to get just a real level line, because the dirt that I have here, it's got a lot of rock and clay and all that. So it's was really hard to try to get a nice even. I guess if you had some pretty new dirt that you'd laid out for sod or something like that, very possibly you could get a nice straight line, but this will work for me. I plan on kind of backfilling that a little bit with some fresh soil and probably seeding it. And but anyway, that's Mary, my new dog, and that's going to keep her from wanting to dig, which has kind of become her new hobby. So anyway, guys, I hope y'all found that useful, and I tell you, it's going to work for me. I'm not going to be looking out the window every so often and make sure I still have a dog in the backyard. And so anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.